Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're taking a full-speed dive into one of the most thrilling wagons ever made, the 2026 Audi RS6. Known for its aggressive styling, supercar performance, and everyday usability, the RS6 has been a favorite among enthusiasts for years. But the 2026 model? It's faster, smarter, and even more refined. Let's explore why this beast is more than just a family car, it's a high-performance statement. Body panels. The 2026 Audi RS6 wears aggression with sophistication. The body panels are crafted from lightweight aluminum and composite materials, reducing overall mass while improving torsional rigidity. Wider wheel arches, sculpted side skirts, and aerodynamic enhancements give the RS6 a low, hunkered-down appearance. The roofline flows into a sleek integrated spoiler, while RS-specific elements like blacked-out window trim and rear diffusers amplify its performance DNA. Headlights. At the front, you'll notice Audi's new digital matrix LED headlights. These aren't just visually striking, they're highly functional. With laser-high beams and dynamic light distribution, they automatically adjust based on traffic, speed, and road conditions. The RS-specific lighting animation during startup and shutdown adds a touch of drama, reminding you that you're not in a regular Avant, you're in something much more serious. Taillights. The rear features OLED taillights with customizable lighting signatures. Not only do they offer sharp visibility and futuristic animations, but they also adapt brightness based on surrounding conditions for added safety. A full-width light bar stretches across the tailgate, enhancing the car's wide, planted stance. It's modern, aggressive, and unmistakably RS. Grille. Up front, the single-frame honeycomb grille dominates the fascia. Finished in gloss black with RS badging, it serves both aesthetic and functional roles of feeding air to the engine and intercoolers while establishing the RS6's commanding look. Flanking it are massive lower air intakes and functional aero vents, which further cool the brakes during high-performance driving. Seats. Step inside and you're greeted by a cockpit built for speed and comfort. The RS Sport seats feature deep bolstering, diamond-stitched Valcana leather, and integrated headrests with embossed RS logos. Heating, ventilation, and optional massage functionality ensure luxury doesn't take a backseat to performance. Rear passengers aren't forgotten either, with generous legroom and their own climate controls. Dashboard. The dashboard is minimally yet high-tech, wrapped in Alcantara, carbon fiber, and soft-touch materials. Ambient lighting strips run across its width, customizable in color and intensity. Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus, a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, provides real-time performance stats, G-meter, navigation, and media, all in stunning high resolution. Infotainment system. In the center console sits a dual-screen MMI touch response system. The upper 10.1-inch screen handles infotainment, navigation, and smartphone integration, while the lower 8.6-inch panel controls climate and comfort settings. The system is intuitive, fast, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Audi Connect services. An optional Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system turns your drive into a concert hall. Steering wheel. The flat-bottom RS steering wheel is wrapped in perforated leather or optional Alcantara. It features multifunction controls, large paddle shifters, and a dedicated RS mode button, allowing instant access to your preferred performance settings. Heated as standard, the wheel also integrates capacitive touch sensors for semi-autonomous driving feedback. Engine. Under the hood, the 2026 RS6 still packs a punch. The 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 returns, but now tuned to deliver 670 horsepower and 690 pounds-feet of torque. With a quicker shifting 8-speed Tiptronic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive, the RS6 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. It's as exhilarating on the autobahn as it is smooth in everyday traffic. Hybrid option. New for 2026 is a mild hybrid 48-volt system, which supports smoother start-stop operations and improves fuel economy during city drives. While not a full plug-in hybrid, it adds efficiency without compromising the aggressive performance that RS fans crave. The system also boosts low-end torque, enhancing responsiveness off the line. Airbags. Safety is paramount, and the RS6 includes a comprehensive 10-airbag system. Front, side, curtain, and knee airbags come standard. Advanced sensors ensure deployment only when necessary, and occupant detection systems help protect both front and rear passengers. Audi's structural reinforcements also score high marks in crash safety ratings. Parking assist. Urban maneuvering is a breeze thanks to 360-degree cameras, park assist, and rear cross-traffic alert. The RS6 can even autonomously park in both parallel and perpendicular spaces. Add an adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and traffic jam assist, and you get a semi-autonomous driving experience that makes commutes far less stressful. Price. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2026 Audi RS6 starts at around $130,000, but expect to pay closer to $145,000 $155,000 for a fully loaded model with options like the carbon black package, ceramic brakes, or dynamic ride control. Expensive? Yes. But for the blend of supercar performance, daily usability, and Audi craftsmanship, you're getting an exceptional value in the high-performance luxury wagon segment. And that brings us to the end of our deep dive into the 2026 Audi RS6. It's bold, it's brutal, and yet it's refined enough to take on school runs and cross-country road trips without breaking a sweat. Few cars combine such raw power with everyday practicality, and even fewer do it with the elegance and engineering that Audi delivers. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth car content, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you take the RS6 over the AMG E63 or the BMW M5 Touring? Thanks for watching, and as always, drive hard, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.